Good afternoon, grade 3.
Good afternoon.
So today we're going to revise for the science exam that we have on Monday. Okay?
Yes.
We will start solving the science exam review. Let's start with the first question. There is only one correct answer. We should choose the correct answer. First part, a non-living thing needs food, breathe, or doesn't grow. Yes, Dima? It doesn't grow. Can you tell me something else about the non-living things? Yes, Mia?
Can't move, can't breathe.
Can't breathe, can't move. Like what? Give me examples of non-living things. Yes, Haya. Like a table, a chair, the door. Part B, some examples of non-living things in an ecosystem. Temperature, light and air, temperature and animals, or temperature, soil and plants. Yes, Sally?
Temperature, light and air.
And air, of course. Why? Why the second and the third choice aren't correct? Yes, Shayna?
Because the second one, animals are living things.
Yes.
The third one,
Excellent answer. Animals and plants are living things. Part C, an ecosystem possesses, يعني in an ecosystem we have only living components or only non-living things, or we have living and non-living things. Yes, Firauni. Yes, Firauni. Living and non-living things. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is living things plus non-living things. Like what? Give me examples of ecosystems. Like what the ecosystems?
The chair and the flower.
Okay, give me examples of ecosystems. Yes.
The marine.
Marine ecosystem, excellent. Forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, woodland ecosystem. D. What non-living component do animals and plants breathe in? What do they breathe? The living things. Oxygen. Do they breathe soil?
No.
Do they breathe sunlight?
No.
E. The place where an animal lives is called what?
Habitat.
F. We call marine ecosystem the ocean and the sea?
Yes.
Ocean, sea, and pond?
No.
Sea, pond, and river?
No.
Why?
Ocean and the sea.
Why we cannot? Salt
Because
water. I told you there is another name for marine ecosystem, which is salt water ecosystem. Pond and river don't make part of the marine ecosystem. They are freshwater ecosystems. Excellent, Yamiya. The beach is a marine ecosystem. Question 2. Look at this picture and then let's answer the questions. Refer to the picture to complete the table. Let's start with the living things. Give me examples of living things that you can see. Yes, Nabil.
animals.
Example, like what? Which animal can you see? Which animal? Give me the name of an animal.
Cow.
Cow. Yes, what
Pig.
else? The pig.
People. Dog.
People are living things. Dogs.
Birds.
Birds.
Chicken. Sheep.
Non-living things.
Air.
Sun.
Airplane.
Airplane.
Floor. Houses. Cloud. Floor.
Ground.
Cloud.
Houses. Do we have only two living things or two non-living things? No, there are lots of living and non-living things, but we should write only two living things and two non-living things.
Yeah.
Habitats.
Pond for people. Yes. Trees for birds. Yes. For monkeys.
Pond for the ducks. Houses for the people. The farm for the farm animals. Trees for birds. What do plants use from their ecosystems? Yeah, Jude. Jude. What do plants take from their ecosystem? They use what? They use yes, Ibrahim. The resources of food. They use
resources of food culture.
They use the air also.
Yes.
Can a polar bear live in this ecosystem? It is adapted to live. It has thick fur. Excellent. It is adapted to live in cold ecosystems or in cold places. Question 3. Read the paragraph, then answer the questions. Miss Nadine lives in Africa where the rain is very rare. It doesn't, it receives little rain. The temperature is very high and the sunlight is so bright. There are few kinds of plants that survive in such place. Animals like salamander, camel, snake, iguana, and owl are adapted to live there. In which ecosystem does Miss Nadine live? From the paragraph. Because of what? Wait. So we have many answers, but I need one. Temperature is so high.
It doesn't rain too much.
Temperature is high, so high. What else? There is animals like salamander, iguana, owl. It doesn't rain too much. The rain is very rare. So we have many answers. We have many explanations. Few kinds of plants, few kinds of animals like salamander, iguana, and owl. It doesn't rain too much. The temperature, the sunlight is so bright. Part B, give me names of animals that can live there. Salamander, camel, snake, iguana, owl, kangaroo rat, spiders, tortoise. We need 4. What helps the cactus plant survive in it? How many? The cactus plant has 3 adaptations, right? They are needle leaf, fat stem. The spines are the needle leaf, hidden needle leaf. So the cactus plant has fat stem, fibrous root, needle leaf. So it has 3 adaptations. لأن fibrous root, fat stem, with spines. Spines يعني إن they are needle leaves. True or false? In the woodland, there is almost one kind of tree. True. B. The trees block the sunlight from reaching the ground in the desert ecosystem.
The trees block the sunlight from reaching the
For this reason, the ground in the forest is wet. Excellent. The palm tree lives in the marine ecosystem. Give me kinds of plants that live in the marine ecosystem. Algae. Phytoplankton. Seaweed and algae. Kelp. Right. You are a living thing. The ocean is a very dry place. What is the very dry place? The desert ecosystem, because the ocean is made of water.
Yes.
It's not it's made of water. It's not only water. Question 5. Let's look. Before we start, what is the first ecosystem? Is it the forest ecosystem? Marine. It's the marine ecosystem. This is the marine ecosystem. What? And this is the desert ecosystem. Yes. What is the intruder? The bird is not adapted to live in the marine ecosystem. The apple tree is not adapted to live in the desert ecosystem. Last question. Observe the following questions. Then read the following questions, then answer them. Is animal and plant life more abundant near the surface or
because sunlight.
near? What? Because there is, first of all, because bravo Alea, because there is sunlight and because there is more resources for food and water. There is because of the sunlight and because there is more resources. What do algae provide to the marine creatures? Before we solve this, give me the name of 2 kinds of algae. Algae like kelp and seaweeds. Is that important to us? What do algae give? What do algae give to the sea animals? Food and shelter. Food and shelter. Do humans use the algae to make what? Toothpaste, ice cream. Excellent, guys. We use some components of algae to make in the ice cream and the toothpaste. What is the difference between marine ecosystem and freshwater ecosystem? Yes, Nabil.
The marine ecosystem has salt water, and the freshwater ecosystem doesn't have salt water.
Like we said before, honey, the water isn't salty. Like we said before, that the marine ecosystems have another name, which is saltwater ecosystem. The pond river are part of the freshwater ecosystem because their water isn't salty. The water of the marine ecosystem is salty. The water of the freshwater ecosystem isn't salty. Good luck at the exam.